How do we fix this car? Think about it for 3 seconds. There's no big problem at the front. Just replace the rails and it'll be fine. We'll also replace this fender. On the whole car, only these 2 doors still look fairly intact. The rear here can also be repaired, but this time we'll replace all of it too. Many viewers say, the metal gets fatigued when you hammer it back into shape. So this time we'll replace everything and skip the hammering. Well, you've all talked me into it. Try to feed you my message in my life. Like that's a good tomorrow I'm at 12. It's on the mark. The Rock is your country family Melano. Pop a hit with thousands. Don't move cause your mom and cool. She play my life like that. You never play good. Faster, like to imagine people I'm missing. If you don't want to wake up with it. You and me from the L to the O to the V. Love you just like me. So let me show you all at me. drag it through the moon. Fading into old dark blue. Me when the light can be brighter than the moon. And the night is right than the lights. Behind the clouds and money's teary lady. But me and the dark is rising. And the lights are shining. But knows it can be bright there all brighter and moon. Frightened in the moon. Brighter than the moon. Brighter than the moon. Brighter than the moon. Today this car had all its measurements thrown off by a small collision. With a fender damage to this extent, anyone who repairs cars a lot knows this is a big job. It doesn't look serious on the surface, but the whole structure has shifted outward. Remove the parts first and pull the main structure back into shape. The pillar is deformed, stretched, and lengthened. All of this here is real structural damage. The door frame position has also shifted. We have to compare and align the data for both sides. The door is in the way of my work, so I'll just remove it first. Pulling while hammering the door frame. I pushed the glass a bit. There's still some deviation. Now line it to the correct position and tidy up the welds. Let's look at the final result. This car is already unrecognizable. I think it must have rolled over on its side. It also has very serious internal damage. But we're still only replacing the outer panels. Lately I've been too busy fixing cars in the daytime and working overtime editing videos at night. So the uploads have been a bit slow. I hope everyone can understand. Of course, I'll also update as fast as I can. This car was also completed single-handedly by a team member. I'll tag him under this video. Like first, then watch. Make it a habit. Enough talk. Let's get straight to the main content. Right and move. And the day is finally fading into Old Douglas. And the evening the light can be brighter than the moon. And the night is right then. The lights are shining for now, stick in the bright up. Bright like the moon. Doesn't mean you can't shake. We are in the rise, the money still, he lady we will be. I will fly, you know. The star is always. Guarded in the moon. Guarded in the moon. Brighter than you know. Brighter than you know. Today let's take a look at this BMW M4. A small crash in a car with over 400 horsepower. The aluminum fender. We'll repair it by hand. The main frame rail has split and splayed outward. And there's such a big crack in it. Let's get straight to work. First, remove these cool rims. Cut off the end of the frame rail. Remove the inner liner and check the inside. Not a big problem, let's start. Finally, put the bumper and wheels back on and check the result. See if any of you can still tell what model this is. The reinforcement on the right side is completely deformed. Anyone familiar with this knows you have to stop here and start hammering. This car took the hit right here again. I've already lost count this year of how many cars I've repaired with damage in this spot. The door frame area is also badly deformed. For us craftsmen fixing cars, whenever we run into cars with serious internal damage, we also just quietly work through them one by one. One punch and it splits open. Before leaving, I gave it a free cleanup. First, take the door off and see what's going on. It looks quite difficult, and in fact it really isn't easy. This is the rear tow hook. This thing is called a tow hook. The boss just came by to inspect our work. It's pouring now, so let's quickly put the top back on. Actually, I feel it's quite cool. I'm mainly afraid the car will get soaked.